Top 7 best fish varieties diabetics should be eating. Did you know that the right kind of fish could help you control diabetes and protect your heart at the same time? Heart disease is one of the deadliest complications of diabetes, and what you put on your plate plays a huge role in reducing your risk. In fact, a study from the Harvard School of Public Health found that eating fish just once a week can lower your risk of heart disease by a staggering 40%. That's because fish is packed with healthy fats that fight inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. But not all fish are created equal. Some are far better for diabetics than others. So, which ones should you be eating? Here are the 7 best fish varieties for diabetes management. 1. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best fish for diabetics thanks to its high omega-3 content. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support heart health, critical for people with diabetes who have a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. Omega-3s also lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and keep arteries flexible, decreasing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Plus, they benefit brain function and may help prevent memory-related diseases like Alzheimer's. Another advantage of salmon is its rich protein content, which helps stabilize blood sugar by slowing digestion and keeping you full longer. It's also packed with B vitamins, especially B12, which supports nerve health and can reduce the risk of diabetic neuropathy. Additionally, salmon promotes eye health by protecting against diabetic retinopathy, a leading cause of vision loss. To maximize its benefits, choose healthy cooking methods like baking, broiling, grilling, or poaching. Avoid deep frying as it adds unhealthy fats. Pair salmon with non-starchy vegetables like spinach or bell peppers to create a balanced, diabetes-friendly meal. Adding salmon to salads with leafy greens, avocado, and olive oil can also provide a nutrient-rich dish. Experts recommend eating fatty fish like salmon at least 2 to 3 times per week. When buying, opt for wild-caught salmon, which has higher omega-3 levels and fewer contaminants than farmed varieties. If fresh isn't available, frozen or canned salmon can be good alternatives. Just check for added preservatives. Including salmon in your diet can help manage diabetes effectively while protecting against complications. It's a delicious, nutrient-packed choice that supports heart, brain, and overall health, making it a must-have for anyone looking to improve their well-being. 2. Herring. Herring is an outstanding fish for diabetics due to its high levels of vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential nutrients that support overall health. Vitamin D plays a crucial role beyond maintaining strong bones and teeth. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports insulin sensitivity. Research suggests that vitamin D deficiency may be linked to an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes, making herring an important addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Getting enough vitamin D can also boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic diseases like multiple sclerosis and heart disease. In addition to vitamin D, herring is packed with EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, 2 powerful omega-3 fatty acids known for their heart protective benefits. For people with diabetes, heart health is a top priority since they have a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. These omega-3s help lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation, which can prevent complications like heart attacks and strokes. DHA is also essential for brain function and may help lower the risk of cognitive decline. Another advantage of herring is its high protein content, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion and preventing sudden spikes. It is also a great source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and protects against oxidative stress, something that diabetics are more vulnerable to. Additionally, herring provides vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve health and can reduce the risk of diabetic neuropathy, a common complication of diabetes. To get the most health benefits from herring, it's best to choose fresh, smoked, or pickled varieties with minimal additives. When preparing herring, opt for baking, grilling, or lightly pan-searing it instead of frying, which can add unhealthy fats. Herring can be enjoyed in salads, with whole grain crackers or as a flavorful protein source in meals. Including this nutrient-rich fish in your diet at least twice a week can help manage diabetes, support heart and brain health, and reduce inflammation, making it a fantastic choice for overall well-being. 3. Tilapia. Tilapia is an excellent choice for diabetics because it is a lean, high-protein fish that contains virtually no carbohydrates, making it ideal for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. It is widely available in both fresh and frozen fillets and is incredibly easy to prepare in various ways. Unlike some other fish, tilapia is naturally low in fat, which makes it a great option for those looking to control their calorie intake while still benefiting from essential nutrients. While it is lower in omega-3 fatty acids compared to fatty fish like salmon, tilapia is still a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. One of the key benefits of tilapia for diabetics is its high protein content. Protein is crucial for muscle maintenance, immune function, and satiety, helping to prevent blood sugar spikes by slowing down digestion. Additionally, tilapia is rich in selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage, supports immune health, and may assist in regulating blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that selenium can improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for those managing diabetes. Tilapia also contains significant amounts of vitamin E and vitamin C, both of which play an important role in reducing inflammation and protecting the body from oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation is a major concern for diabetics, as it contributes to complications such as heart disease and nerve damage. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods like tilapia into your diet, you can help your body combat these risks. Another advantage of tilapia is its contribution to heart health. People with diabetes are at a higher risk of developing cardiovascular disease, so eating heart-friendly foods is essential. While tilapia is not as rich in omega-3s as other fish, it still provides some heart-protective benefits. However, it is best to balance your diet with other fish that contain higher levels of omega-3s, such as salmon or sardines. When selecting tilapia, it is important to choose high-quality sources. Farm-raised tilapia is the most common, but the nutritional quality can vary depending on the farming conditions. Opt for responsibly farmed or wild-caught tilapia whenever possible. Cooking methods also matter. Grilling, baking, or steaming tilapia is the best way to retain its nutrients without adding unhealthy fats. Avoid deep frying, as this can introduce unhealthy oils that are not ideal for diabetics. You can enjoy tilapia in salads, soups, or as a main dish with roasted vegetables for a balanced, blood sugar-friendly meal. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on more tips for managing diabetes. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. 4. Sardines. Sardines are one of the best fish for diabetics due to their rich nutritional profile and heart-healthy benefits. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, they help reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and support heart health, essential for diabetics who are at higher risk of cardiovascular disease. Unlike larger fish, sardines are low in mercury, making them a safe and sustainable choice. Their high protein content also plays a key role in stabilizing blood sugar, preventing spikes, and keeping you full longer. Protein slows glucose absorption, helping diabetics maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Another major benefit of sardines is their high calcium and vitamin D content, essential for strong bones and insulin regulation. Many diabetics have low vitamin D levels, which can contribute to insulin resistance. By including sardines in your diet, you naturally boost these important nutrients, improving both bone and metabolic health. Additionally, sardines are affordable, widely available, and convenient. Canned sardines are a great option for quick meals, but be sure to choose low-sodium varieties to avoid excessive salt intake. If you prefer fresh sardines, grilling, baking, or pan-searing them with lemon and herbs enhances their flavor while keeping the meal healthy. Sardines are also versatile and can be added to salads, whole-grain pasta, or soups. Their savory taste pairs well with Mediterranean ingredients like olives, tomatoes, and garlic, making them easy to incorporate into your diet. For diabetics seeking a nutrient-dense, budget-friendly fish, sardines are a top choice. Whether eaten straight from the can or cooked to perfection, they provide essential nutrients that support blood sugar control and overall well-being. 5. Mackerel, Pacific or Atlantic. Mackerel, especially Pacific and Atlantic varieties, is a fantastic choice for diabetics looking to improve their heart health while keeping blood sugar levels stable. This fatty fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, offering about 3.2 grams per 6-ounce serving. These healthy fats play a crucial role in lowering bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while increasing good HDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease, a major concern for diabetics. Additionally, omega-3s help combat inflammation, which is often linked to insulin resistance and poor blood sugar control. Regularly including mackerel in your diet can support a healthier cardiovascular system and promote overall well-being. Beyond omega-3s, mackerel is a powerhouse of essential nutrients. It's rich in high-quality protein, which helps regulate blood sugar by slowing down digestion and preventing sudden spikes. This makes it an excellent food for diabetics who need steady energy levels. Mackerel is also loaded with iron, riboflavin, vitamin B12, selenium, and niacin, nutrients that support immune function, energy production, and overall metabolic health. Vitamin B12, in particular, is vital for nerve health, which is crucial for diabetics at risk of neuropathy. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, helping reduce oxidative stress, which can worsen diabetes complications over time. When choosing mackerel, it's important to be mindful of mercury levels. Atlantic mackerel is a safer choice because it is low in mercury and widely available fresh. Pacific mackerel is also a good option, often found canned in grocery stores. However, diabetics should avoid king mackerel as it contains high levels of mercury, which may negatively impact blood sugar control and overall health. To enjoy mackerel in a healthy way, consider grilling, baking, or adding it to salads and whole grain dishes. Whether fresh or canned, this nutrient-dense fish is an excellent addition to a diabetes-friendly diet, providing essential nutrients while protecting heart health and supporting balanced blood sugar levels. 6. Cod. Cod is a fantastic option for diabetics looking for a lean, high-protein fish that supports overall health. It's low in calories yet packed with essential nutrients that can benefit those managing diabetes. As a white fish, cod has a mild flavor and a firm texture, making it versatile for different cooking methods, from baking to grilling or even steaming. Unlike fatty fish, cod is naturally lower in fat, but still contains a moderate amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. This is especially important for diabetics who are at a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. What makes cod particularly beneficial is its impressive vitamin profile. It's an excellent source of vitamin B12 and vitamin B6, both of which play a crucial role in maintaining healthy nerve function and supporting red blood cell production. These vitamins also help regulate homocysteine levels, a compound that, when too high, can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. Keeping homocysteine in check is essential for protecting heart health, making cod a smart choice for those managing diabetes and related complications. Additionally, cod provides high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing digestion and preventing spikes in glucose. This makes it an ideal protein source for those looking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Cod is also naturally low in mercury, making it a safer seafood choice for regular consumption. Whether fresh or frozen, it can be easily incorporated into a diabetes-friendly diet. For the healthiest preparation, opt for baking, steaming, or pan-searing with heart-healthy olive oil and a mix of herbs for extra flavor. Avoid frying, as this can add unhealthy fats that counteract cod's natural benefits. Including cod in your meal plan is an easy and delicious way to enjoy a nutrient-dense fish that supports heart health, promotes stable blood sugar levels, and provides essential vitamins for overall well-being. 7. Tuna. Tuna is a fantastic choice for diabetics looking to enjoy a lean, nutritious, and heart-healthy fish. It's packed with high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion and preventing sudden spikes in glucose. Additionally, tuna is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering triglycerides, and improving overall cholesterol balance. Since many diabetics struggle with high cholesterol levels, adding tuna to your diet can be a great way to support cardiovascular health while keeping your meals low in carbohydrates and unhealthy fats. One of the best things about tuna is its versatility. It's naturally low in calories, contains almost no carbohydrates, and is free of saturated fat, making it a guilt-free option for those managing diabetes. Plus, it's an excellent source of vitamin D, an essential nutrient that plays a key role in insulin function and blood sugar regulation. Ensuring you get enough vitamin D is particularly important for diabetics, as deficiencies have been linked to insulin resistance and increased risk of complications. Another benefit of tuna is that it's widely available in both fresh and canned forms, making it an easy and affordable addition to a healthy meal plan. If you enjoy tuna sandwiches, there are simple ways to make them diabetes-friendly. Instead of using white bread, opt for whole grain bread, which provides fiber to slow down sugar absorption. Swap out regular mayonnaise for non-fat mayo, or for an even healthier twist, use cottage cheese. Not only does this lower your fat intake, but it also adds an extra dose of protein and calcium, which are essential for maintaining strong muscles and bones. You can also mix tuna with avocado or Greek yogurt for a creamy, heart-healthy spread. Whether you grill a fresh tuna steak, add it to a salad, or make a nutritious sandwich, this fish is an excellent way to get the protein and essential nutrients you need without worrying about spiking your blood sugar. Eating the right fish can be a game changer for managing diabetes and protecting your heart. These 7 fish varieties are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that help stabilize blood sugar, lower inflammation, and improve overall health. Whether you prefer grilled salmon, a light tuna salad, or a flavorful mackerel dish, adding these fish to your diet can make a real difference. But remember, balance is key. Pair your fish with fiber-rich veggies and whole grains for the best results. Now, if you're curious about other foods that can help you control blood sugar naturally, check out the next video on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on life-changing health tips. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.